Hello, good morning, and I am Janel Singh, or I am telling something about Kanthapura. Reading a novel, Kanthapura. Kanthapura is a very powerful novel written by Raja Rao. In this novel, Skeffington Coffee Estate has a great importance. In your syllabus, you have short writing, you have intonation, comprehension, reading, composition, sentences, and transcription. So this is your syllabus, and Kanthapura. I have said something about. Chapter first also I have said something about the second chapter also, and Kanthapura. Kanthapura is a very powerful novel written by Rajarao. Kanthapura is a social novel. This is a very powerful novel for young generation of 21st century. John Donne has written about literature. No man is an island entire of itself. Every man is a piece of continent and a part of the main. If you think literature is the medium of expression. Literature presents the value of society also. Literature is the mirror of society also. And in this novel, Kanthapura has a beautiful, it is a very powerful, beautiful piece of fiction, and it has a metaphorical presence also. Kanthapura. Kanthapura has a Gandhian philosophy. Role of Mahatma Gandhi is also very powerful in this novel, and I think this novel has a powerful writing also, powerful language also, and the language of Kanthapura is very good. The language section of sentences, the correct forms, and the use of tenses, understanding of the word. This is very good used by Rajarao in Kanthapura. And if you see, Kanthapura has so many characters. Achakka is an old woman, a storyteller of Kanthapura, and you have Sinnu, Murthy, Narsamma, Rangamma, Venkamma, Kalamma, Ratna, Bhatt, and Rangamma, Subbe Gowda, and Bade Khan, Venkamma. So there are so many powerful characters in Kanthapura also, and you should read original text also, and Indian writings in English also. So if you see Kanthapura, so this novel was published in 1938. So this novel is written by Rajarao. You know this fact also. Rajarao's Kanthapura is a path-breaking novel. This novel is the most turbulent events related to uh, Gandhian view. A role of Mahatma Gandhi is also shown in this very powerful novel. And what was the age of 1930, 1938? This is shown in Kanthapura by Raja Rao also. And Kanthapura is a social document, so which records the history and politics of experiences, events, and methods. Role of Mahatma Gandhi and British rule is also shown in Kanthapura also. So Gandhi was like a powerful person. He was a hero. Gandhi was a simple man, and in this novel, the writer describes the role of Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi is not actual the hero of this novel, but his presence is in Kanthapura. Uh, uh, or this is powerful shown by Murthy. Murthy is a Murthy is a follower of Mahatma Gandhi. He he follows the philosophy of Mahatma Gandhi, ideals of Mahatma Gandhi, and today I am telling something about chapter third also. So in this chapter, the novelist introduces one more interesting character named Bhatt. In chapter third, you are introduced a powerful character, Bhatta. Bhatta is a strange admixture of good and bad quality. If you see the character sketch of Bhatta, he is a mixture of good and bad qualities. He is a character who is not interested in Gandhi Bhajan. मतलब he does not like Gandhi Bhajan. He knows all the ways and he means to earn easy money. He wanted to easy money. He wanted to easy money. I think he is not a he is a different kind of person, and he wanted to add more and more property also. Anyway, so money meant, but always smiling, always ready, friendly. So this is shown in chapter third, role of Bhatta, role of Bhatt. He would fleece the people and yet he would earn their gratitude. Outwardly polite and smooth tongue. He is looking very polite person, smooth tongue person. He also earns money by telling people the auspicious days of prayers, fast, marriage, of birth, death ceremonies. His main business is money lending. He gives money to the people also. His main business is money lending. He is a money lender, and he would lend money to the poor. He gives the money to the poor. So this is shown in this chapter also, and you are getting some information about it. But and he gives money to the poor and needy. But the more uh, uh, pressing the need, the higher would be the rate of interest. He looks the person, how the need is the person, and if a person is so needy, he takes higher interest. He is a miser of first degree. He is a miser person, and he does not allow his wife and children to use money. Uh, Conjuse type of he is a very miser person, and he regularly visits the city and maintains liaisons with lawyers and other officials. He goes to the city every day, and he has a he has great relation with lawyers and other official. He would help people in drafting the petition and getting the service of the lawyer. But now owned 37 acre of wetland and 90 acre of dry land. So he has some area of land also, but now owned 37 acres of wetland and 90 acres of dry land in the village in Kantapura. And he is a Brahman also, and Santur, Uttar, and Honori. So these are some area in near Kantapura, and there was not a Pariya or a Brahman that did not owe him something. He openly criticizes Murthy. He does not like Murthy, and he does not like Murthy and his ways, and means to achieve Swaraj. His disapproval and disdain for Murthy's progressive ideas. If you read Murthy is the hero of Kandapura, and he is a man of progressive idea and practices and patriotic activities. Murthy is a patriotic person, and but does not like Murthy. What is this Gandhi business? He says this. What is this Gandhi business? Nothing but weaving coarse handmade cloth, not fit for mob, and bellowing out bhajan and bhajans and mixing with pariyas. So Though Mahatma Gandhi is not shown as a character in Kandhapura or in this novel, but the impact of his teachings, his philosophy of life, and political struggle is reflected in Kandhapura in the thoughts and actions of several characters. There are so many characters who are followers of Mahatma Gandhi. Besides Murthy, Advocate Sankar is also a stanch follower of Gandhiji. He is a stanch follower of Gandhiji. Murthy, he is a powerful follower of Mahatma Gandhi. So this chapter also gives a detailed account of two women characters, Narsamma, widowed mother of Murthy, and in this chapter we are introduced by two women characters, Narsamma, widowed mother of Murthy, and Ratna. So these are also shown in this chapter third. Ratan. Ratan is a widowed daughter of Rangamma's sister Kalamma. Narsamma is a pious lady. Narsamma, who is Narsamma? Narsamma is Murthy mother. Narsamma is Murthy's mother. And Narsamma is a pious lady who, like any traditional mother, and would like to see his young man married. Um, this is the desire of Narsamma. Murthy should get married, but and in life, uh, settle down in life with peace. So she thinks that if Murthy is married, he can live a good life, a life with peace, happiness, and security. So I think marriage is very important in life. Marriage, role of marriage. Rajaram is also giving the importance of marriage. Marriage is necessary. Marriage is a social. Marriage is social. If a person is married, uh, he can live. He can live with peace, happiness, and security. Or if a person without marriage, there is no survival. So marriage is very important. Marriage has also importance in life, also in society, also. So and so, so this is I think this is a powerful chapter. And Ratna is also shown in chapter 3. Ratna is a woman of progressive outlook, and Ratan is also a powerful woman in Kandhavara. She openly defies the societal restriction imposed on widowed women. So she wears her bangles, nose rings, and earrings, and this enables the novelist to offer an alternative perspective on the representation of women characters in the novel. So, through the characters sketch of Ratna, Narsamma, you can get the philosophy of Rajarao towards women characters in the novel. So, thus the text contest, contests the gender stereotypes created by the patriarchal society. And in order to make his narrative vivid, colorful, use appealing, the novelist uses adjectives in description, characters, animals, and houses, and so this is a good chapter. Also, I have read chapter 1 also, chapter 2 also, and chapter 3rd. In chapter 3rd, we have Bhat is introduced. We have Narsamma. Narsamma is a good woman. She is mother of Murthy. We have the character sketch of Ratan also in this chapter. Also, Ratan is also introduced in this chapter. Thank you.